Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy. We are Softtrix, a digital marketing agency helping businesses worldwide scale their online success. Today we are diving into an exciting case study on how we have helped a liquor store business generate 348,000 euros in terms of monthly revenue with the ROAS of 9.12 using a well-structured Google AdWords strategy. This business literally partnered with another agency, but they were not satisfied with the performance. Their campaigns were running, but profitability was a challenge. They were struggling with an high advertising cost, low conversions, and inefficient targeting. After watching our videos and seeing our expertise in action, they have reached out to us looking for a performance-driven approach to maximize their online sales. Before jumping into the campaign optimizations, we have conducted in-depth market research to understand the industry trends, customer buying behavior, and the regional demand. Since liquor sales can be highly influenced by seasonality, local preferences, and promotional deals, we have worked closely with the client to determine which products had high demand in specific regions and which ones were underperforming. We have also analyzed the competitor strategies and the historical sales data to find opportunities where we could scale the profitable products while minimizing the wasted ad spend on the low performing ones. By doing this, we have gained critical insights into the customer preferences, peak sales periods, and the high margin products that could drive significant returns. When auditing their Google AdWords account, we have uncovered several critical issues that were holding back their profitability. First, a lack of proper segmentation. All products were grouped together in the shopping campaigns, leading to inefficient budget allocation. High performing products were not getting the necessary push, while the low performing ones were draining the ad spend. Next is the high costs and low conversions. Some products had a very high cost per acquisition but were not delivering enough sales. The previous agency did not optimize bids based on the performance metrics, leading to budget wastage. No regional targeting strategy. Some locations had very low ROAS while the other had a very strong demand for certain products, but there was clear bid adjustment strategy in place. Weak remarketing and the creative strategy. The business was not effectively retargeting past visitors and their ads lacked engaging visuals. They did not have any banner or the banner ads to capture attention, making their campaign less compelling. Understanding these gaps, we have developed a highly strategic plan to completely restructure and optimize their campaigns. Restructuring shopping campaigns instead of a one-size-fits-all approach. We have categorized the product based on the performance, demand, and the pricing. High-performing products received more aggressive bidding, while the underperforming ones were tested with different placements, ad copy, and the pricing strategies. Next is optimizing for seasonal trends. Our market research helped us identify that certain liquor brands and the collection had higher sales in specific months. We aligned our campaigns with seasonal demand, pushing promotions and case deals at the right time to maximize the conversions. Location-based bid adjustments. By analyzing the conversion data across different regions, we find out that some areas had significantly lower ROAS. We have optimized bids for location where demand was high and adjusted spending for less profitable areas, maximizing efficiency. Performance max and creative enhancements. We have utilized the Performance Max campaign to expand reach and drive traffic to the right audience. Unlike the previous agency, we did not rely entirely on the automation. We have actively tested different ad creatives, including the video and the banners, to find the best performing elements. Our in-house creative team designed engaging ad visuals, making the business stand out in a competitive industry. Remarketing strategy for retargeting the lost customers. To recapture lost sales, we have launched the remarketing campaigns featuring product image, case deals and the limited time discounts. These ads reminded past visitors of the product that they had browsed, increasing the return purchases. Our strategic restructuring and continuous optimization led to the outstanding results. The monthly revenue soared to around 348,000, while the ROAS significantly improved to around 9.12. We have successfully increased the conversion while maintaining a profitable cost per conversion, ensuring sustainable business growth. Additionally, our optimized shopping campaigns enhance visibility and engagement, allowing the brand to reach a wider audience and drive more sales. By leveraging market insights, seasonal trends, creative assets, and the continuous optimization, we have helped this liquid store scale to new heights in a competitive market. So, if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for a free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us through WhatsApp. You can just share with us the PPC account access, then we will be able to look at it, and then we will be able to let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaign running, then you can still share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We will be able to do the research and then we can share with you the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.